Okay, so it says for problem number 45, it says suppose you have a Gaussian surface encloses both a positive point charge that has 6 field lines leaving it. So I'm just going to make up some funny Gaussian surface. And it has a positive point charge. And that has 6 lines. So I'm just going to write down like plus 6. Okay? And then it has a negative point charge which has with twice the charge as this one. So this one technically should have 12 field lines. What is the number of field lines passing through the Gaussian surface? Okay, so they're saying that this one has twice as many. So I'm not sure, you know, like you should have like one here, one here, one here, and I'm not quite, but it should be a total of 6 lines. What do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 6? Yeah. And so this one has twice as many coming into it.
So it's 12.
So it should be 12, and I'm not going to draw them all out. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's twice as many lines coming into it. And so what it wants to know is what is the net number of field lines passing through the Gaussian surface? Well, it's going to be 6, right, plus 2 times negative 6, right? So 6 plus negative 12 or negative 6. Does that make sense?
No, I'm lost.
Well, what they're saying is like for the Gaussian surface, another way to word it is like this will match up with this one. So this line will be like here, 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 this line will be like here.
More negative than positive.
And then so these blue lines have to come from somewhere else. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And so how many do you have through the Gaussian surface? Well, you're going to have, the net is you're going to have 6 extras. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I drew one too many lines. 6. 6 coming into the Gaussian surface, and they're all going to have a negative charge, right? So these are all going to have a negative charge of 1.